Evolve FM helps you manage your maintenance and operations functions with a complete set of easy-to-use tools. You can configure a maintenance dashboard with all the features you use every day. You can create work requests from anywhere in Evolve whenever you need to, on any device. Evolve can create smart requests that automatically get routed to the right technicians. One work request can spawn several work orders as part of a project. Integrate tasks, jobs, priorities, and trades to standardize how work histories get recorded so you can generate useful reports that define asset performance, thus minimizing both maintenance costs and operational disruption. You can automate the notifications process so that all your stakeholders are always up to date on move and work order statuses. Configure preventive maintenance programs that ensure your assets will always perform optimally. Use Evolve's work scheduling grid to quickly and easily balance workloads and ensure the right technicians are assigned to the tasks that need to be done. Evolve operations and maintenance. Easy, powerful, fast, complete, flexible. Thanks for watching.